Welcome to the Sanders Kitchen. I'm Mike. We're doing a dub over because we lost some audio. Today's video is about frying Louisiana style shrimp, but we have a special twist to it, so stay tuned. We have 2 pounds of Louisiana shrimp with their heads on. I'm going to show you how to peel the shrimp and reserve the body with the legs so we can make what we call fried spiders. No, I'm not talking about that fuzzy little booger crawling up the cabinet back there. So let's get started by cleaning up a few shrimp. To peel the shrimp, I hold the shrimp with 2 hands, gently twist the head and the body, and the head comes off fairly easily. Next, I use a shrimp peeler deveiner to remove the shells and the vein all in one stroke. I pull off any shell pieces that might be hard to remove, and I keep the shrimp on ice. I use the index finger and my thumb. I grab the body inside of the head of the shrimp. I pull it away from the shell, and I wash them along with the shrimp meat in cold water. And that's about it. So now let's prepare them for the fryer. Here I'm going to take the shrimp bodies and just dredge them in some Zatarain's New Orleans style crispy southern fish fry. Just dredge them real good until they're coated completely, and then just put them in a deep fryer, 350 degrees. I use vegetable oil. I fry them until they're golden brown, and then I take them out and it's time to eat. It's really just that easy.
Fried spiders. Ooh, I love them. They're so good. You guys have to try this. So please don't waste your shrimp heads by just throwing them in the garbage. I mean, if you're not going to make shrimp stock, at least take the bodies out and make some fried spiders. And I'm not talking about these babies. Woo-hoo! I'm talking about these. You're going to love them. I'm going to show you how to fry some shrimp, Louisiana style. You got to start off by peeling your shrimp and deveining them, which we showed you how to do. And then you're going to use some New Orleans style Zatarain's crispy southern fish fry. Take about 8 or 10 shrimp to start with and just dredge them in the fish fry. Make sure they're coated well. Take them out and put them in your fry basket. And now we'll drop them in. We'll take them out when they're golden brown. Let them drip just for a few seconds. And put them on your rack. The shrimp are crispy. They came out great. And here's what we would do here in Louisiana. We would just drizzle a little lemon, fresh lemons, right on the shrimp. Just dip it into some cocktail sauce and enjoy. Thanks for watching the Sanders Kitchen. If you liked our video, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you next time, and God bless you.